So guys, dumating na yung ating parcel from Tagum City. So ayan, bubuksan na natin. Ayan, ito ang laman. Ayan, Michelle Aloyan, Kasaba and Peanut. Ay, ba't walang taro? Wala ba tong taro, sis? Ayan, bubuksan natin. Ano ba natin bubuksan? Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang peanut butter. Yan, dalawa yung in-order ko. From, ito po. Gawa po nila ni Sis Heidi.
Okay pala sinano?
And then, ito yung isa is crunchy, yung isa is hindi crunchy.
May
Try natin lahat yan.
May
Try
peanut.
natin.
May peanut.
Yes. This one is kasaba and half-half kasi yung order ko guys. Kasaba and puro kasaba. Sabi ko kasaba and taro. Ito kasaba cheese, ito ata yung salt lang. Ayun. Sige. Ayan, ito po yung ating order. Kasaba, chips. Ito pong tatlo is cheese. Then ito ata is regular lang, walang cheese. So ito yung taro. Yan, titikman natin yan. At ito yung kanilang peanut butter. Parang tingin ko parang yummy na talaga siya guys. Ayan, titikman natin yan. Ayan, try natin tong taro guys. Yan. Alright. Pa.
Kaon lang.
So, ito din, try natin yung kasaba. Crunchy. Rough. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po kay Sisi Heidi from Tagum City. Yummy. Yummy.